Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. For today's lessons, it's a bit different because you're not gonna take down any notes, but you're gonna revise two things for today. The first one is the midpoint. So this is the formula for midpoint. To find midpoint m, xy, you have to add x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and then y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the formula for midpoint. And the second one will be distance formula. So in order to find distance, you have to use square root, bracket x1 minus x2 square, or you can have x2 minus x1 square, doesn't matter, both are the same, plus y1 minus y2 square. So you're going to use these two formulas to solve the quiz for today. So for today's lesson, what you do is, first you take out your phone. Okay, and then you have to install this app. Okay, this app is called QUIZIZZ. So the way to spell it is QUIZIZZ. You go to App Store or Play Store, and then you download that app. Okay, once you have downloaded the app, so you go to the app. Okay, now you see there is a button here which is enter code. So you're gonna press that one. So you press it. Okay, the code for the game will be 249789, and then you press enter game. And then write down your name, and then you enter the game. There are 10 questions about distance and midpoint. You're going to need a pencil and a piece of paper in order to solve the question, and also using calculator. So good luck for that. I'm not giving you an example because I want to see whether you could solve the questions or not. If anything, you can ask anything from the description below. So once you have completed the test, so you can post your comment down below. So good luck everyone. Goodbye.